that, and then you sew like that, and you go all the way along one way, and then yeah, so you can see there. Yeah, no, that's fine. So this is the back of it when it's all sewn together. But can you see how neat those
absolutely a butt,
those
don't they?
seams are?
Yeah.
And I have, because these are 1.5 inch unfinished, so these are an inch. And when I've tried doing this without the quilter's grid, it's not as neat as that, I can assure you. So I mean,
But what are you? So sorry, I don't. You folded it, right? So where are you sewing? Along the line of the.
I've sewn a quarter of an inch, yeah. So a quarter of an inch from that line there, all the way down. So you go all across, and then you snip. So you'd snip in between here, just tiny little snips up to the. And I've forgotten my little scissors, so I'll have to see if Lady So-and-so's got some. And then what you do is so they're all sewn together, you go the other way, and what you do is then nest the seams together, like this. I'll start making, yeah, no,